What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's over 100 degrees outside, so I'm here in the office kind of thing. It's gonna be a quick video, maybe a time lapse. What I have with me is some Gorilla Tape, razor blade, tire lever. I got a vernier caliper just in case, and I got a wheel. This is actually the original, one of the original Axum wheels. And I guess you know what this is about. We're gonna attempt to go tubeless, and I'm gonna do it on a time-lapse mode because I have never done this before. I actually gotta find the valve, which I do have. But first, I gotta get the tire out. Take the rim, the fake rim tape over here out. And then we're gonna clean it up. Gonna use some Gorilla Tape. We're gonna cut this maybe a little over half, tape this thing up, and hopefully it'll work. Let's see what we can do. Before I do that, please go ahead and consider subscribing if you haven't done so. If you want to support the channel, check the affiliate links for everything I'm gonna be using down in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything extra. But most importantly, please subscribe and turn the notification bell on. That way you don't miss any future content. Other than that, let's ride. So I think I gotta tape up. All I did was, this is where the valve goes right here. So I started a little bit before that. I wrapped it one time and ended up a little bit after the valve point. So all I gotta do is make a hole, then put in the valve. I'm about to do that next. But the Gorilla Tape, I measured the width of this thing, which was internally 30 millimeters. So I went 32 millimeters right here, and actually the GoPro 9 battery charger is exactly 32 millimeters. So all I did, as you saw, I just rested my blade on it and then score the tape around it, make a perfect cut, and that took care of that. And this thing should be ready to take the valve and some air in it. So let's do that next. Now these are the ones that I got from Amazon. I don't remember how much they were, but they were like around 10 or maybe less. And as you know, this is the Axum wheel, so it takes a shredder valve. So I ended up getting these shredder valves, and they're black, so that's why I wanted this. They're a little bit long, which is okay, because you know this wheel is actually a little bit deep, so 1 centimeter or about 10 millimeters are gonna be hidden inside this thing. This thing's be exposed, so you have the little bit of the little O-ring, and this goes outside to tighten it up. And I wanted them black, and this goes inside the wheel. And this thing is for the actual exposed thing is gonna be about 44 millimeters, 45 millimeters, something like that. I don't remember what. I think they're advertised as 44 millimeters, and I got 45, so that's what it is. So I'm gonna make a hole right here. I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna come back with my razor blade and just clean this up. And then I should be able to just drop this thing in here. And I don't know how much you can see, but this thing compresses really well. All you gotta do is take this up, screw it all the way in, hand tight as much as you can to compress that seal right here. And I guess hand tight should be able to do it. This thing doesn't move anymore. And if you want a little bit of extra measure, you can just do like a quarter of a turn once it's hand tight to give you a little bit peace of mind, which I'm gonna do. And I should be able to just put my tire in. Sealant, I'm waiting on the sealant. Now this thing comes with extra stuff. Let's see. I guess extra gaskets, extra caps, whatever else you need. Core remover. It comes with a little bit of a toolkit. I'll leave affiliate links for all of this in the description below. So what we gotta do now is put our tire back on. Now it's seated, and let's go ahead and get some air in this. I'm gonna use the compressor because I don't have a hand pump. By the way, I was using this, well, I never got to use them. These are slime inner tubes from Walmart, and when I took the valve cover off and I tried to squeeze it in, I actually got a little bit of the sealant in my shorts, which is okay. Let's go to the garage. I'm gonna inflate this. Hopefully we can hear some pops and go from there. All right, so I got some Continental X Kings. I have a quick video about this. These tires are the ones that actually came on the WTB wheel set. I wanted this for the Poseidon. I can't set those other ones in, maybe because they're 700s. Let's see how this one goes though. What a difference. The tire has everything to do with that. Supposedly the Redwood can take up to 2.3. These are 2.2s on 29s. So I might just end up running this. Let's see. Check the gap. I think this might actually end up being a success. Let me check. For tire wobble. These were actually wobbly with tubes, but now they seem to be freaking straight. So I might actually end up running these tires on the Poseidon. I gotta set the other one, and let's go back inside because it's freaking hot in here. All right, so all I gotta do is check the pressure, but it did set the bead, and as you can tell, there's a little line between the ring and a gap between the line and the wheel, the edge of the wheel. So as long as that one is consistent all the way around, then we should be set and good to go. And this one looks like it is holding air. I'm gonna put the cap in there, and I can't wait to start using this. The weight savings is gonna be really good, and I think I did weigh it before, but I'll get to that once I put them on the Redwood. But yeah, there's gonna be some weight savings in here, and rolling weight, which is what matters the most. So I leave affiliate for all this in the description below. Check those out, that way you can help out the channel as well. Again, these valves, these are for Strider valves, and I'm also gonna leave affiliates for Presta valve, Tubeless valves as well, so that way you can check them out. And yeah, the Gorilla Tape is freaking lifesaver, super affordable, and it does the trick. A lot of people have used this with success. And the good thing about it is that when you take it out, it comes out clean as well. So I'm gonna wrap up this video. This is my first tubeless tire, and I can't wait to start making all my tires tubeless and just share with you guys, because this is gonna be amazing. I actually have my Axum right there, but that one I can't do that one tubeless because that's the one that got a big puncture on the sidewall. I don't think a bacon is gonna fix it. I can set this one, the front one, on. I can set it up tubeless if I wanted to, or I can get a new pair of tires and set those tubeless for this bike, which I might already have, and go from there. That's gonna be it for this one. Again, if you haven't, please subscribe, turn the notification bell on. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, again, just share this on social media. It helps out tremendously. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I have a lot of maintenance and DIY stuff on bikes and a few other things as well. Other than that, that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's ride. Goodbye.